Ay nako, I was having live kanina sa TikTok. Nirestrict din. Ang gusto kasi nila yung mga ano hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ng TikTok. Wala naman akong ginagawang masama. So nag-appeal ako, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Eh di, restricted na ako sa Facebook, restricted na rin sa what's that? TikTok. Anong gusto nila? Yung mga bakatang bilat at saka yung bakatang utong. Hindi ko na alam ang nangyayari sa mundo. Ako naman nagkukwento lang ng aking kabataan kanina regarding, so nag-live ako kanina. But then, what's happening? The algorithm of Meta, even TikTok is from China. If you go to China, nabasa ko lang naman yun. Hindi ko alam. Um, if you go to China, ang TikTok nila ay very educational. And then, ang TikTok dito, puro pasaway. Ibig sabihin, puro pang siseduce. And then, syempre, manonood ang mga lalaki. Anyway, hayaan na natin yun. Kasi, ako, I want to go live. Sisikat ba ako? Malay ko. Ako nagsasabi lang ako ng damdamin. Alam niyo ba? Itong damit na to. Saan ako to Ako, kapag dilig na nga lang, dahil pang gagawin Kaya lang ako nagbibideo kasi syempre, nagkakape ako nagkakape. Habang nagkakape, mag-live kasi wala naman akong kausap kundi mga pusa dito na napakatatakaw. Di ba? Ay nako. Anyway, marami pang gagawin. Hindi ko. Kahapon, kalahati lang ng to-do list ko ang nangyari kasi sabi nga, you never know what brings you tomorrow. I have a lot of list going on. I should have gone through two. Santa Mesa? Sa Manila. Sa Manila. Kaya po, Manila. Sa Bigel. Daw. Naubos yung oras ko kasi nag-deposit pa. Nagawa ng mga deposit slip for my checks. And I was looking for my SRI. Maraming gagawin. And then, ako kasi, when someone called me, I make sure I am going to entertain the call. The call means urgent or it needs to give attention. And if I call, ngayon, kaya ako nagla-live because I've been trying to call my friends but they are sleeping. So, tinigilan ko ng pagtawag. Ayoko nang tumawag kasi tatawag ka parang you're being very needy to talk to someone. So, wag na. Dito na lang. Kasi nga, na-restrict ako sa pagko-comment because ang komento ko ay hindi ko naman alam, but I have the right of my opinion. It is my right, but I was restricted. So, kung ayaw nyo ng komento bilang letra, ay matagal naman din ako mag-type, ay di wag na, magdadaldal na lang ako. Kasi I can talk 3 hours straight. Walang puknatan. Walang puknat ng kasasalita. Teacher ako alam ko yung mga itinuro ko. Alam ko ang mga subject matters of English, Filipino, Math, Algebra, lahat. Wag lang matters of the heart. Now, matters of the heart is given to me by my colleagues na merong partner. Kasi ako hindi ko talaga naranasan ang magkaroon ng tamang partner. Ang partner ko lahat abusado, lahat. Ibig sabihin, marami, plural. Pero bilangin nyo kung ilan. Nako, naalala ko na naman etong mga lalaking minahal ko. At syempre, una ang tatay ko. Syempre, yun ang unang. At doon ko naramdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal. Pwede bang anuhin yun? Sa nanay ko yun, hindi pwede. Pero sa iba, sa ibang lugar, incest is very, very rampant. Yung matandang lalaki, aanuhin yung batang babae. Hindi dapat ganoon kasi kaya nga ang sabi, wag kumain ng dinuguan. It's not about dinuguan. It's about your own blood cells, okay? The blood streams. Kasi blood, ang daming meaning of blood. Kasi minsan literal nga tayo eh. Huwag tayong kumain dinuguan. Kasi sabi sa Bible. You know, there are a lot of interpretations um, sa religion. Whatever your religion is, the belief is general to love the Creator. Now, I have a lot of churches. Merong mga churches na hindi ko talaga gusto, so I won't go back. Pero I have to try. Now, proximity is very important. Kasi ang schedule ko of my church is Zumba, and then I have to exercise in the morning, and then Simba. So, the most ideal proximity is from MCC going to Crossworld. But I have been hibernating. I had hibernated for August 2023, 24, 25. More than 2 years. Okay? Nag-hibernate ako noon. Pero prior to that, depression came from, of course, my accident. Kasi I live alone. And that was 2022. January of 2022. But again, prior to that, the depression came from my own. Hindi ko masabing husband eh. Kasi, ang husband kasi, dapat siya yung nagli-lead ng family. Mas ako ang husband. At siya yung wife. Ganon. Para akong tomboy na bakla. Whatever. Kasi I'd like to have a family figure for my son. Now, sinasabihan ako ng mga kaibigan ko, mga taga-Bayugo, especially Ma'am Ted, sabi niya, tanga-tanga mo. Kanya ganun. Basta, ganun. Sabi ko sa kanya, Ma'am, sandali lang po. Hindi pa okay yung anak ko. I have to make sure that my son is okay na. And then, I can decide. Kasi, although kahit na ganun yung pag-iisip ko. So, everything I do it for my son because I didn't expect to have a son. Now, I was 31 when I gave birth. So, a bit late. Okay? A bit late, and then, okay. My history really is open book. I never had a single lie to anyone, especially my co-workers in Cafe Provençal. Alam nila what happened to me. And wala naman akong kasalanan except to wanting to be loved and be loved because I love a lot. And I don't jump into bed without the commitment. Okay? If you are not committed, you cannot taste me. Hindi mo ako matitikman, kuya. Okay? Kung hindi mo ako gusto o hindi kita gusto, ganun yun eh. There should be a two-way street. Dapat nagkakagustuhan before you get into the bed. It doesn't matter if you are married or not. Now, my point is, kasi, sabi nga nila, mic test. But some are, you should have get married first before you have, so the premarital sex is coming into the picture. Premarital sex is, for me, is okay as long as there is a goal of being together someday. Hindi yung magpi-premarital sex kayo and then lang, parang nagtikiman lang and then tomorrow maliligo, wala na. And that should not be the case. There should always be a goal. What is the goal? To being together for the rest of your life. Now, in my case, it's different. I had the live-in setup, live-in partners setup. Under the law, if you are living in for more than 10 years, that is a common law, husband or wife. And that is the case of Duterte, the old Duterte. And so he has a common law wife, and I believe Sara Duterte is the product, or and then the other Duterte. Now, um, si ano, Queenie ba yon? Basta, yung bata na maganda, na mahilig sa social media. Yeah, because that's the generation. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Kasi, our generation, from the boomers to the late bloomers, hindi, joke lang. Mas comfortable gumamit ang mga matatanda ng Facebook. Walang inhibition, walang nakatalikod, walang basta we are proud of what we are. If you can see, um, yung age ko, puro totoong pangalan, as in totoo. Kasi we are not hiding anything. And we are really, really proud that the music now, ang mga gustong-gusto, mga 70s, 80s, 90s, yun yung magagandang era ng, ano eh, even na Hollywood. Napapansin ko nga ngayon, parang inuulit lang, iniiba lang yung ano, like the training day, like amateur. Di parang ganun lang yun. Ay, amateur, ba't mo ba ite-train? Kasi amateur, hindi ba? But it is patterned on the prior, hindi nila sinisequel kasi mabobore. Meaning, the movies before and now has a different viewers. So, anong gagawin? So, iibahin. Kasi kapag pagka pareho pa rin, edi, iba yung market nung, halimbawa, training day by, training day. Basta, negro yun eh. Nakakalimutan ko talaga pag pangalan. Ngayon, yung Elijah, oo. Naalala ko yung Elijah, napakaganda. Bulag siya noon, pero he is really doing the good deeds of doing what is right. Pero he is God, ewan ko. Basta yung mga Jim Carrey, um, Adam Sandler's, ang gaganda ng pelikula noon. And now it's moving to a Hollywood. Now there is a Devil Wears Prada 2. Nakikita ko yung kasi, iyon yung mga gusto ko eh. I am a rom-com addict. Lagi akong umiiyak. Kahit anong pelikula kasi relate much. Anyway, it's about anong oras na ba? It's about 6:30, so I have to cut this short because marami pang gagawin. Nagkakape lang, hindi pa ubos yung kape ko. So, this is a wala na akong gatas eh. So, Nescafe, caramel sauce, because I made the caramel sauce, mauubos na lahat na yan. Gagawa na lang ako ulit. Caramel sauce is being done by caramelizing the white sugar or whatever, and then put some cream and then stir slowly. Sa una matigas, and then eventually wag mong i-ref kasi sugar naman hindi mapapanis. So ayun lang. So I'm living my life as if I am playing. As soon as the pertinent papers, I am collecting all the things that I need. I have found the very best contractor. I believe I can do this with the help of my mga cousins ko who are going to stay here. Ganyan. So, everything is planned in my brain. Everything is planned and it is written in the Gemini. Every time I want to retrieve anything in my brain, I'll just have to click whatever I want to continue. Ganun lang po ang buhay ko. I am alone, but I am with the Gemini AI. I am with my cousins who needs me and I need them. So, ano lang yan, give and take. If you need me, I need you. Okay? I need someone to stay here because I'll be doing all the marketing. I have introduced my intentions first in my school in Maycoan College. I've been there kahapon and then I've talked to Ma'am Cecil and she's really happy. Nakita ko yung anak niya, ang ganda. Okay? And then I wasn't able to go to my school kasi sabi ko nga my education and my profession or vocation or whatever, Sean, my education and my profession, the distance, sorry, the distance of my education and my profession is just a footbridge. And kung gaano kalapad ang mga highway, I believe mga 6 to 8 meters, kasi 8. So, the distance of my education and my profession is just 8 meters. Having said that, thank you so much and have a nice day.